They say you can't pull money out of thin air. Well, what about diamonds? In a high-tech two birds, one stone scenario, the Sky Mining Company has developed a way to not only pull carbon dioxide out of the air, but they're turning that harmful greenhouse gas into diamonds. It's a process that not only aims to clean up our air just a little bit, but also replace diamond mining. An industry Sky Diamonds inventor, Dale Weiss says, is damaging to the environment in its own way.
I think diamond mining is an abusive industry. I think that's as simple as that to say. I don't think it puts back anywhere near enough into the economies in which it operates. It's on the verge of slave labor, and these are the things that we're spending a lot of money on in other parts of the world that we treasure. We find naturally beautiful and valuable, but the way that they're made, the harm that they cause to the environment and to people, is relatively unseen.
But perhaps the best part of the system they've developed over the last 5 years is that it's powered by wind and solar and only uses water derived from rain, which the company says makes the whole process carbon negative, meaning that making these diamonds you might give to your mother also great for Mother Earth.